Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner. And we're going to be working on my Jeep Wrangler JK, but this is a right-handed drive iteration, and I am here in Texas. I'm obviously here in the US, but we're going to be changing out my camshaft position sensor. Check engine light is P03440 and a 03444 or something like that. Let's get started. Before you get started, these are some of the tools you'll need. I just got mine from AutoZone. That is the part number right there. Again, this is going to be for the camshaft position sensor, bank 1. 10mm bit, Torx 30. So when you pop your hood, you'll notice that my layout looks a little bit different because, again, this is going to be the right-handed drive. So visibility and so when popping my hood, you'll notice that my layout looks obviously a little bit different. My battery is over here on the what would be a driver's side, but for me it's the passenger side because this is the right-handed drive, and our sensor is right here. So I predict this will probably be very easy to get to. Yep, it's right there. So most cars here in the US, obviously on this side or on this side right here, which would be the passenger, usually you don't have as much visibility, so I think this should be probably the cleanest video here on YouTube. Before we get started, you want to disconnect your negative battery terminal. Again, this is a 10mm bit. I must have pulled on that tight. Shouldn't be that loose, honestly. Anyways, pull it off. Now going over on this side right here, you don't have to take off the cover. I'm going to take it off, just hopefully you have a little bit more visibility. I'm just going to scoot it over to the side for you. Going over to the side, let me position the camera. Try to make sure I can get the best angle for you. My tripod would stay still. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put it, make sure it's in there tight. Try to take off the clip first. Actually might be easier. So red clip right there, or a little tab, I mean, push and pull. That way, the screw kind of helps hold it in place, kind of like a coil. Nope, can't do it by hand yet. It's interesting, there's a little gasket on that little fastener. Just tuck that right there. Wonder if this is a twist and pull. I don't know. Let's see. Or if it just comes straight out. It comes straight out. All right. Okay. Let's go set it down. Let's go compare the old one to the new one. I actually bought some Dialect grease, so you can put it in there where the connectors are. Okay. It looks the same. Yeah, it looks the same. Cool. I'm going to put a little bit of grease right here. And the Dialect stuff in there. Dialect grease in there. Going back up top. Quick update, this Torx nut right here, a Torx 27 actually fits a lot better. A Torx 30 should be fine, but a Torx 27, look, it fits right in. Torx 27. Yeah, my hands are greasy, sorry. What is wrong with this? Hardest part so far is me trying to figure out this little ratchet. Anyways, I'm gonna button this up, tighten this down, just re-plug the connector, insert it back in, and you're pretty much good to go. I don't want to bore you with all that. I'm trying to keep the video short, but if you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. And again, this is going to be on a 3.6 liter engine, so this is a 2015. Alright, so I got everything pretty much reinstalled. Nice and clean install. I did want to mention that I just kind of looked at some stuff online as well, and it just says to leave the negative terminal off for a few hours before you reinstall it. But that's it.